Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to change signature on Adobe Acrobat Pro. So first head over and launch Adobe Acrobat and start opening up a file. Next at the top corner of your screen, click on e-sign. Then here in the left panel, look for the signature that you would like to change and beside it, click on the X button. This will remove this current signature. Now all you have to do is start adding a new signature. So click on add signature and here start creating a new one. You can type in initials. So Adobe Acrobat can lay out your signature for you. You can also change the style. You can also just manually draw your new signature or even upload a new one. Then once done, head over and click on apply. This will change the existing signature that you have. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!